Okay, my dear students, third mean subtract. So here they given the statements. So first write down the statement in a algebraic form expression. After that you can subtract. So first one, minus 5y square from y square. From y square means the first term is y square. So first term is y square. You have to subtract. Okay, you have to subtract. What is the term? Minus 5y square. So minus 5y square. So now minus into minus plus. So what is the answer? Y square plus 5y square. What will be the answer? Y square plus 5y square. 6y square. So answer is 6y square. So second one, 6xy from minus 12xy. From minus 12xy means, so first term is minus 12xy and we have to subtract. What we have to subtract? 6xy. So here is 6xy. So write down in bracket. Otherwise you can directly write it. Here plus sign is there. There is no sign, is plus sign is there. So minus into plus minus. So what will be the answer? Minus 12xy minus 6xy. So here both the terms having same sign. So first we have to add it. 12 plus 6, 18xy, and keep the sign as. So what will be the answer? Minus 18xy. Okay, next I will take fourth one. Okay, so fourth one, a minus b from a plus b. From means first term is a plus b. So minus a minus b. Okay, so write down in bracket. So next, a plus b as is minus into plus minus a minus into minus plus b. Okay, so now a minus a gets cancelled. So a gets cancelled, plus b plus b. So 2b. That's it. Very easy. So next we take sixth one. Sorry, seventh one. Seventh one, 5a square minus 7ab plus 5b square from 3ab. From means first term is 3ab minus 2a square minus 2b square. Okay, so this is first term. We have to subtract. What is the term? Second term is 5a square minus 7ab, right, plus 5b square, 5b square. So now, so write down 3ab minus 2a square minus 2b square as this. Here plus sign is there, minus into plus. You should multiply minus sign to the whole term. Minus into plus minus 5a square minus into minus plus, that is 7ab. Next minus into plus minus, that is 5b square. Okay, now same terms, same algebraic expressions. Here same algebraic expressions are there. AB. So same terms. First combine it, 3ab plus 7ab. Next a square minus 2a square minus 5a square. Next b square minus 2b square minus 5b square. Here both are having same terms. Sorry, algebraic terms. AB. So 3 plus 7, 10ab. Next a square minus and minus. Both are also having same sign. So first add 2 plus 5, 7. That is minus 7a square. Next here also same sign. 5 plus 2, 7. Minus 7b square. This is the way of solving these type of problems. First, understand the statement. From means that is the first term. Here they given minus 5y square from y square. From y square means y square is the first term. Subtract. What now to subtract? The term. Write down the complete term, minus 5y square. Then only you will get the correct answer. Okay. So next fourth one, a what should be added to x square plus xy plus y square to obtain 2x square plus 3xy? To obtain means that is the right hand side. So what we have to add it? Add it means so first x square plus xy plus y square. We should add to this what we have to add? You don't know. That is unknown value. So unknown term. Okay. To obtain is here the given 2x square plus 3xy. Okay. How to find out the unknown term? Just shift this term to right side. So sign will be changed. So unknown value, unknown term equals to. So this is as is. Right hand side 2x square plus 3xy. Here plus sign is there. So here plus sign is there. So whole term. So sign will be changed to whole term. X square xy plus y square. That means you have to subtract the terms. Write down 2x square plus 3xy as this. So minus multiply minus into the whole term, minus into plus minus x square. Here also minus xy. Here also minus y square. So first combine the same algebraic terms. X square is there, here x square. 2x square minus x square. Next 3xy minus xy. So minus y square as it is. So now solve it. 2 minus 1 1x square. 3 minus 2 2xy minus y square. That's it. You have to add this term to this term to get this term. That's it. Okay. So second one. What should be subtracted from? From means so first write down the term 2a 8b plus 10. Subtract what should be subtracted from? You don't know this unknown term. So unknown term subtraction. Okay. To get here they already given minus 3a plus 7b plus 16. Okay. Plus 16. So you want unknown term, isn't it? But it is having minus sign. So shift this to right side and shift this whole term to the left side. Sign will be changed. So for whole term this is plus sign. Okay. If you want to shift this whole term, sign will be changed. That is here plus is there, minus will be possible. So here minus is there, gets changed to plus. So 2a plus 8b plus 10. Okay. Shift this first. So shift it minus 3a plus 7b plus 16. Here minus is there, sign will be changed to plus unknown term. Okay. Now shift this to left side. So 2a plus 8b plus 10. Sign will be changed to whole term. So write down the term as it is, but sign will not change. Minus 3a plus 7b plus 16 equals to unknown term. Now subtract it first all the ways. So first multiply the minus sign. 2a plus 8b plus 10 minus into minus plus 3a minus into plus minus 7b minus into plus minus 16 equals to unknown term. So now here 2a